What's up, gamers? You know what today is? Dad's day off. And you know what I did today? Played games. Today, I was trying to break my high score. That didn't happen. High score was 25 million, but just didn't happen today. But I'm in Finland, and not too many high scores in Finland. So the game is over. Let's check it out, see what's in the box. See if I can get a mega jackpot. Whoa! 20,000 coins! I think we gotta double this up. Oh yeah. I'm gonna pause it so you don't have to waste your time with this 30-second video. Be right back. Alright. Back to the game. 40,000 points. Very nice. Alright. Let's see what's going on again. One key helps out a lot. Oh. I'll double that next time. Let's get through the boxes. One score booster. Next week, check me out. I'll be in Greece. I'll see what high scores are over there in Greece. Another box. Don't forget, check out my other videos on Subway Surfer to see the mega jackpot was doubled from 900,000 coins to 1.8 million. I see that a lot, pretty decent amount of people looking at it. It was really cool. And it was very surprising. I'm glad I caught that on the video. It's only 500. Alright, 3.6 million coins. There's my top run. Oh, that's actually with somebody else on Facebook. But let's check it out. There I am. John. I put myself down as a name. And there's my little pug. That's Bowser the Pug. He's on some of my other videos also. Check him out. Very cute for the kids. Alright, let's see. There you go. Dad. 17,610,483. Week 87. 2 days to go. You know what this means, gamers? In Finland, Dad rules. See you next week in Greece.